The vlogger is just casually riding. Suddenly, he sees what looks like a traffic jam up ahead. Taking a closer look, it turns out a car has overturned on the road. Right now, there's only one thought in his mind. I have to help. I was about to park my bike when I saw a man already rushing to help. As I got closer to the car, I saw 3 men already there using a claw hammer, taking turns trying to break the window. They were trading off when they got tired. I thought I should take over since I had gloves on and wanted to swap with the man, but the man was really focused and in a hurry, so I didn't interrupt. Just then, I heard a child crying. The man asked, "There's a child in there?" At that point, I decided to see if I could open the door on top. "Are you okay in there?" It just wouldn't budge. I saw the man was getting tired, so I stepped in since I had gloves. Man, this glass is tough to break. I only realized how strong this windshield was after I started hitting it. Meanwhile, another man nearby was calmly calling the police and emergency services. After a lot of effort, we finally got the windshield off. Be careful. We got the child out first. By now, more helpful people had joined in. There were enough people to try flipping the car back over, but it didn't work. Suddenly, a crane from across the road came over. The driver stopped to help. The door is stuck. Do you need help? Oh, there are a lot of people. Just then, the police arrived. They started coordinating with the crane operator to see if he could lift the car. After more hard work, the door was finally opened. Let's get the person out first. After the passenger was rescued, the crane started to lift the car upright. Once the car was upright, it was pushed to the side of the road. The people from the car were okay. This is another reminder for everyone. Please pay attention and drive safely.